Tried to cut these corners, tried to take the easy way. I kept on falling short of something.
Ako si Ate Nikki, and ako si Ate Latin. So, like kami, so ngayon, ang tuturo namin sa inyo ay, sorry. So, ang tuturo namin sa inyo ay colors. Alam niyo ba yung, magbigay nga kayo ng mga kulay na nakikita mo? Red! Blue! Yellow! Yellow! White! Violet! Brown! Gray! Okay, magbigay kayo ng bagay na kulay pula or red. I know. Red? Saan? I know. Sa karon. Yan. Ano pa? Mga prutas. Meron ba? Ano mga apple? Apple. Color yellow naman. Color yellow. Banana. Mango. Yun, tama. Mango. Paano color blue? May blue. Pero ano meron?
Grapes.
Blueberry. Tama. Okay. So, alam niyo ba kung ano ang primary color? Yung primary color? Alam niyo kung ano yun? Okay. So, sige. Ituturo namin sa inyo ang primary color. So, ang primary color ay color blue, red, yellow. Okay, so ito ang tinatawag natin primary color. Tandaan niyo, ano to?
Blue, red,
yellow. Ano ulit mga primary colors?
blue, red, yellow.
Alam niyo ba kung bakit tinatawag siyang primary color?
Kasi bakit?
Hindi. Tinatawag siya, hindi, pero yung primary colors kasi, hindi mo kailangan maghalo ng ibang kulay para makakuha ka ng ganyan. Hindi tulad ng mga green or mga purple, kailangan mo sila ihalo-halo. Pero tuturo namin sa inyo naman. So, kunwari, okay, mag-ano tayo ha? Kunwari, nagpipinta tayo ng isang picture. Tapos, kailangan natin ng ibang kulay, pero ang meron lang kayo is blue, red, at yellow. So, paano nyo gagawin? Kunwari, kailangan nyo ng orange. Paano nyo yung gagawin kung ito lang
Papaano?
Tama! So, pwede natin silang ipaghalo para makabuo ng ibang kulay. Nakita na ba kayo ng gano'n?
Opo.
Pinag-aaral nyo na? So, ayun.
May high school. Walang
Papakita na muna namin sa inyo, okay? Okay. Ayan, pakita namin. Pakita namin. Ay, wala. Oh, wala kang magtutulungan. Anong color?
Uy, umupo kayo. Hindi namin makita.
Color?
Blue.
Ngayon naman sa amin!
Mga pa kayo. Kulang daw eh, pero...
Lalagyan natin ha.
Upo lang kasi, hindi namin... Blue.
Blue. Sandali lang. Sige, pwede kayong ano tayo. Kung gusto nyo tayo, okay lang. Sige lang, so dandahan, baka may mabasa.
Uy.
Tapos, kuha tayo ng kayo?
Opo.
Tagalog, sa Tagalog nga daw.
Tagalog, ano ko sa Tagalog?
Orange.
Orange.
Hindi ah.
Kahel.
Kahen.
Kahel. Ay, paano pag ipaghalo natin ang yellow at blue?
Violet.
Tagalog.
Violet.
Kasi sinasabi nyo, Tagalog nga sinasabi.
Tagalog. Violente.
Bigyan ng
Yeah,
chance.
ba yun? Okay, ano pang
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, because I'm